guys, I woke up this morning at a new low weigh-in of 178.5. Looking a lot leaner. You can't see my abs in this lighting. It's down lighting, but my quads, in my opinion, this is the biggest and leanest at the same time my quads have ever looked. So in my opinion, this is the best my quads have ever looked, and I think they're gonna look insane just because I've been doing a lot of higher leg volume lately, and it's paid off a lot, I feel like, in this last off season. So here's a little bit of a quad leg update, so to speak. No, I'm not really that bloated. I'm just trolling you guys. I'm just trolling you guys with that thumbnail. But like, I have this weird ability to be able to stick out my stomach like legit that far. Just so you know, that wasn't photoshopped. I can stick my stomach out that far, and then all of a sudden, I can do the magical, hold on, let me try it, hold on. I can do that. I'm one of those guys that can like have my stomach stuck out here and then just smack it and be like, yeah, okay, that was really weird. I'm sorry that you had to see that. Sorry that you had to see that. I know it's yeah. You can call this the jerk and pregnant baby. So here's it stuck out right here, right. Here's it not stuck out right there. So yeah, yep. Can't really see my abs from this angle that well. Fat driven. Yeah, I'm still pretty fat. Here, stuck out. And just to clarify for a second time in a row, all those things I talked about in the last video, like pre-workouts and artificial sweeteners and energy drinks and hot sauces and all that stuff, they don't make you fat. They don't stop you from getting shredded, but if you're not accounting for the calories and the carbs in those items, then you might be drinking, whatever, 100 more calories a day or even more than you think that you are intaking. So that is a thing. Also, artificial sweeteners, hot sauce, ketchup, all those things together do bloat you a little bit so that you do appear to look less lean than you actually may be. So don't eat and drink those things a week out from an after picture or a show or a competition or any of that stuff. Don't do it. You will look like a giant water balloon even if you're shredded. Oh, and while we're at this, you guys probably already know this, but we fitness people, we don't look like awesome all the time. If I didn't try to have good posture, if I didn't care, like, this is literally what I would look like right here. That's it. That's all I would look like. But if I care about my posture and, you know, I want to make sure that I'm standing tall and looking decent, I look like this. This is how I've learned, like, that, you know, that I look good. I could look like that. Look like that. There is a difference. Like, I'm not kidding. This may be a first for me, but it's literally colder inside the house than it is out here, and we're not running any air. Crazy. It feels really good, really warm out here, but I've been freezing like all day in the house. Seems like I'm turning into the dude in blue or something, like blue pre-workout, blue earbuds, blue Axe bag, blue freaking sunglasses. I'm the freaking dude in blue that lifts.
Whoa, chasing it around. You know you need to slow down. Won't you tell me you're still somewhere?
So I just got invited to Tavern 24 to go eat with some friends, some Mustang friends, some car friends, and I'm wearing this. I'm not even the freaking tight pants, not even the tight pants. I'm wearing the loose like gym pants and a Keep It 100 shirt, and I'm going to a restaurant. Yeah, we keeping it savage today. We going to a restaurant and we gonna slay in some raggedy gym pants and a Keeping It 100 shirt. Oh, I just hit the e-brake on the camera. I'm so sorry, guys. That probably felt like it thumped you in the ear. I don't know if you guys have, I don't even know if it's a franchise or not, but either way, I'm going to show you what I eat there. Going to try to find something cheap and something macro-friendly, because y'all know that I'm on a budget. I'm on a macro budget too. Put this weird tripod configuration up in here to try to attempt to be like doing a car vlog. I hope you guys appreciate this little car vlog thing, because yeah, I'm officially driving the Cobra and I have the camera framed on me. So I've never done this before, so I'm a little bit rusty on this whole camera car vlog thing. Cut your boy Jordan a break. You guys are about to hear 03 Cobra problems. Don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape. Oh, it didn't scrape, yes! Something told me that guy in the Jeep was going to do a flyby. So if you guys enjoy this kind of car vlog thing, with the way I've got the tripod set up, it seems to be working. So if you like this, I will do it more often. Like I said, I'm not going to make videos that are specifically about cars or about the Cobra, because this is a fitness channel, but I would love to do some car vlogs. I don't know if you guys watched me 3 or 4 years ago, but I actually did, like, go back 3 years ago on this channel, you'll see that I did car vlogs. I did like almost 100 of them, I believe, something like that. I don't really remember. Yeah, I'm that obnoxiously loud guy. All the time. Let's just keep her in first gear and be that guy.
Is that your stand in there?
Yeah. Some other guy being obnoxious. Like, I'm lucky to be alive right now, actually. He could have killed me just now. Like, that's what guys in those, that's called it's called a Mustang March 1st. And pedestrians asked us how strong we were, so we are the only ones out of the group that lift. I lift things up and I put them down. There's multiple colors on this car, that's weird.
Having sweet tea after like Virginia. Amazing. I like tits too. Inconvenient truth. You're right. No. What are you doing?
One day.
Okay, he's only.
One day I'll be able to eat that too. Just came to the table and told us Merry Christmas. There's free food, but I'm on a diet. Do you know how I feel right now? What if you were given free gifts and you couldn't take them?
I couldn't like mess with him.
No, talk. Say something. Say something. He's famous. He's on a YouTube video with a lot of views. Stop trying to feed the camera a chip. Gas station now has cotton candy and sour head bangs. Even though I'm not supposed to be recording in here, so they kicked me out for recording last time.